Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to report an issue with an order on Talabat. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Talabat application, which of course I've done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you download the Talabat app? Launch either Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Then locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Talabat and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. After signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Talabat. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to report an issue with an order on Talabat. For you to report an issue with an order on Talabat, it means you have to contact the customer support. And how do you do that? From this homepage, head over to the bottom of your screen, where you have a couple of icons representing diverse features. Of course, you have home, search, orders, and you have account. Go ahead and click on account, and it takes you here. We have rewards, your orders, Talabat Pay, vouchers, Talabat Pro, Get Help, and About app. Go ahead and click on Get Help, and it takes you right into the help desk. This is the help center. Now you have my orders. I can place my orders. You have payment. You have my support request. You have the T per subscription, rewards, cancellation policy, and others. So for you to report an issue with your order, go ahead and click on my orders, all caught up, so you don't have a pending order. So if you have an order, go ahead and click on the order. Go ahead and click on past orders, click on any of your order, and once you click on any of your order, then go ahead and report an issue with that order. Go ahead and click on the option that says you should report an issue, and just report an issue. Just go ahead and report the issue with that order. So if it is, I can't place my order, you can click on I can't place my order, and you're definitely going to help you. All right, so let's say yes, I got my answer, or no, add more information. You're going to get more information, or let's say something else. Go ahead and give them something else. So go ahead and select your order, and after selecting your order, click on your order, and after selecting your order, go ahead and report the issue with the order from this tab. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.